this is feedback for Sana on WR1 second draft. So again, I think you're on the right track. You have a lot of good things in your essay. Okay, but there's a few things that you do need to work on. Starting with transition to the thesis. What do I mean by that? I mean, you have a good flow here, but then you just say their government software is overseas colleges. So you're talking about all these causes, and it's just like, this essay will focus on effects. A nice little transition sentence would be great here. Something like, with so many reasons to study outside of one's country, it is important to look at the effects, right? Or with so many people and so many reasons to study outside your country, it's important to look at the effects. And then this essay will be. Okay, so that would be a nice sentence to add here. Other than that, capital letters, wrong words. So these words are, you used the wrong word. Like this word, I think you just delete altogether. Nowadays, the number of students who want to study abroad is increasing. I think that's fine right there. This is the wrong word. The major effect, because you're missing the first major effect of going to study abroad ability. Again, wrong word stuff here with the yellow. Those are all wrong words. The blue, this is what I was saying here. I didn't say that there. I want you to try to combine some sentences and make some complex sentences. So, for example, here would be a perfect place to say, since many companies are looking for qualified workers, they will be willing. They're also, since they're looking for qualified workers, they'll pay more to get a person who has gone overseas to study, or something like that. So good places where you can try to do that. Also, I saw that you try to use synonyms and different words for study abroad, but try a little bit harder. Working outside the country, you're studying outside the country, going overseas to study, going abroad to study. I mean, just different ways of saying it, but they can help. Give some more examples. I think an example can go here, here. This was, remove that. I think this was the wrong word as well. Wrong word. I mean, just the spelling of the word, you just want to try something different. And then finally, in the conclusion, I think you could just explain how. I think you say, advise members of the family to support their students. How should they support them? So they just send them overseas? But that might not work. What can you do? What can they do to also help them? Maybe they can go with them for the first couple months or something, or, send one of their sisters or brothers or something, or, something. So just give us some ideas of how to do these things. Make the changes and upload into week 5.